4 years, Fujifilm has carved out a unique space in the crowded camera market. They haven't chased megapixels for the sake of it, nor have they compromised on the tactile, almost soulful experience of photography. Instead, they perfected a blend of retro charm, unparalleled color science, and cutting-edge imaging that appeals to purists and professionals alike. But now, the whispers have grown louder, the blueprints have surfaced, and the most exciting development in the APS-C world is on the horizon, the Fujifilm X-T6. And what we're about to unveil isn't just an upgrade, it's a reimagining of what a flagship APS-C camera can be. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've delved deep into the industry's most guarded secrets, from supply chain hints to detailed patent applications, and even direct confirmations from sources within the testing community. The information we're sharing today will not only define your next gear purchase but fundamentally change your perception of the X-T series. Get ready, because the Fuji X-T6 is coming, and it's bringing a revolution with it. Let's begin with the heart of any camera, the sensor. The X-T5 pushed boundaries, but the X-T6 is rumored to house an entirely new, 5th-generation 50-megapixel X-Trans CMOS HR sensor. Yes, 50 megapixels in an APS-C. This isn't just about resolution, it's about a completely redesigned architecture that promises unprecedented dynamic range, reaching an astounding 15+ stops. Imagine the detail you can pull from the deepest shadows and brightest highlights. This sensor is rumored to be co-developed with a leading sensor manufacturer, signifying a major leap forward in image quality, challenging full-frame systems in a way no APS-C has before. But high resolution often comes with a trade-off: speed. Not with the X-T6. Sources suggest a new X processor 5.5 engine, which isn't just faster, it's smarter. This enables a blistering 30 frames per second burst shooting with full autofocus and auto exposure, even at full resolution. For sports, wildlife, or fast-action street photography, this isn't just an advantage, it's a game-changer. And perhaps most astonishingly, whispers suggest a completely redesigned shutter mechanism, potentially allowing for 1/32,000 second mechanical shutter speeds, a first for an X-series camera. Now, let's talk about autofocus. Fujifilm's AF has always been good, but the X-T6 is rumored to adopt a significantly upgraded AI-powered deep learning autofocus system. This isn't just about faster eye tracking, it's about predictive subject recognition for an incredible array of subjects: humans, animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, even planes. It will reportedly learn and adapt to subject movement patterns, resulting in a focus accuracy that is nearly infallible, even in the most challenging lighting conditions. For those who felt Fujifilm was a step behind in AF, prepare to be absolutely stunned. For videographers, the leaks are equally compelling. The X-T6 is expected to push beyond the X-T5's capabilities, offering 8K 30p internal recording and 4K 120p with minimal crop. But the real game-changer is the rumored internal 10-bit 4:2:2 ProRes RAW recording. This isn't just about high quality, it's about professional-grade codecs baked directly into the camera, eliminating the need for expensive external recorders for many productions. Coupled with an improved cooling system, a subtly redesigned heatsink, and a slightly larger body for better thermal dissipation, this means sustained high bitrate recording without